Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use playful rewards on your iPhone. Let's get started. Playful rewards are small rewards you can earn by playing games, completing simple tasks, watching short ads, using app regular. In return, you can get coins, points, discount, or in-app item. First, open the game and make sure you are logged into your account. Most of the time, you will see a gift icon, a reward button, or a message saying playful reward. Inside the app, you will see daily rewards, watch, add, and on options. Simple tasks like tapping, playing, or waiting a few seconds. Choose any reward you like and tap on it. Now complete the task shown on the screen. This could be watching a short video, playing a level, staying in the app for a few seconds. Once the task is finished, the reward will be added automatically. After completing the task, tap collect, claim, or don your reward. Coin, points, or bonus will appear in your account. Now you can use playful rewards to unlock features, get in-game items, reduce ads, or enjoy special bonus. Just tap on use or redeem when available. And that's it. That's how you use playful rewards on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.